I seek refuge in Allah from Satan, the expelled from His mercy. Anyone. And it teaches that exalted is the nobleness of our Lord. He has not taken a wife or a son. And that our foolish one has been saying about Allah an excessive transgression. And we had thought that mankind and the jinn would never speak about Allah a lie. And there were many and they had thought, as you thought, that Allah would never send anyone as a messenger. And we have sought to reach the heaven, but found it filled with powerful guards and burning flames. And we used to sit therein, and among us are the righteous, and among us are others not so. We were of divided ways. And we have become certain that we will never cause failure to Allah upon earth, nor can we escape Him by flight. And when we heard the guidance, we believed in it, and whoever believes in his Lord will not fear deprivation or burden. But as for the unjust, they will be for hell firewood. And Allah revealed that if they had remained straight on the way, we would have given them abundant provision. So we might test them. And He revealed that the masjids are for Allah, so do not invoke with Allah anyone. Say, O Muhammad, I only invoke my Lord and do not associate with Him anyone. Say, indeed, I do not possess for you the power of harm or right direction. Say, I do not know if what you are promised is near, or if my Lord will grant for it a long period. He is knower of the unseen, and He does not disclose His knowledge of the unseen to anyone, except whom He has approved.